Department of Electronics and Telecommunication headed by Professor Kulkarni BL.
Myself, Professor Bhalchandra Kulkarni, Head of the Electronics and Telecommunication Department. This department is started in 2003 with 40 intake. Our department having 22 teaching staff including principal, also having 7 technical assistants and 2 non-teaching staff. At present our department intake is 120. The department consists of 7 fully equipped laboratories.
Our experienced and qualified staffs.
प्रोफेसर रघुनाथ पागेरे, प्रोफेसर भावना गंधाडे, योगिता दिघे, प्रोफेसर मीरा कानवडे, प्रोफेसर स्वर्णिता काळे, प्रोफेसर विजय गडाख, प्रोफेसर गजानन राठोड, श्रीकांत सहाने, प्रोफेसर अविनाश डोंगरे, प्रोफेसर पांडुरंग दहीफळे, प्रोफेसर सचिन गायकवाड, प्रोफेसर योगेश बोराडे, प्रोफेसर उमेश कुटे, प्रोफेसर जयेश धारणे, प्रोफेसर जयराज हिरे, प्रोफेसर गणेश बोराडे, प्रोफेसर रुणाल कोहोड, प्रोफेसर किरण तांबे, प्रोफेसर राकेश गायकवाड, मिस्टर बालू बाबुल, मिस्टर अशोक पवार, मिस स्वाति खेडे, मिस्टर सुयोग गीते, मिस्टर नीलेश नागरे, our pupils Mohanrao Tasdeen and Sambhagrao Pawar.
Department of Electronics and Telecommunication has a vision to provide quality education to the students in the field of electronics and telecommunication engineering. Mission is, we are committed for the effective implementation of teaching learning process in classroom and laboratories. We provide skill to the student to prepare them for industry and society. We provide the basic knowledge of electronics and telecommunication engineering along with discipline and ethics to make students socially responsible citizens. This is Communication Lab headed by Professor Vijay Gadak, Professor Avinash Dongre and assisted by Mr. Ashok Pawar. The cost of lab is 17,05,840 rupees. The major practicals conducted for the courses like digital communication, principle of electronics communication, mobile and wireless communication, and consumer electronics. In this lab, we do have equipments like FM modulation, delta modulation, DSO, signal generator, FSK modem, telephone trainer kit, mobile trainer kit, QPSK modem, FDM and ASK kit. Pulse generator, AM, FM generator, FOC kit, QAM, PWM, FDM, multipixing, error detection kit and PAN. In this lab, we do have 2 sections. First is digital laboratory and second one is analog laboratory. In analog section, we do have color TV trainer kit, CD DVD player demo kit, microwave test bench, DTH, that is direct satellite receiver demonstrated kit, EPBAX trainer kit and PHAX demo kit. This is Analog Electronics Lab headed by Professor Meera Kanavde, Professor Panduranga Dahifale and assisted by Mr. Suyog Gite. The total cost of lab is 5,84,418 rupees only. In this lab, we conduct the practicals of courses like basic electronics and applied electronics for electronics and telecommunication engineering program. We do have DC regulated power supplies, CROs, function generators, experimental kit and trainer kits, experimental kits and multimeters. This is Digital and Microcontroller Lab headed by Professor Raghunath Pagire and Professor Rakesh Gaikwad, assisted by Mr. Nilesh Nagre. The lab cost is 7,45,789 rupees only. In this lab, we conduct practicals of courses Digital Techniques, Linear Integrated Circuits, Microcontroller and Application and Embedded Systems. We have 10 digital trainer kits and 6 electronic design experimental kit which having breadboards. For microcontrollers, we use software called Kill. We also have 8051 microcontroller trainer kits along with various interfacing kits such as ADC, DSC, stepper motor, LED, LCD and 7-segment display. We also have FPGA trainer kits along with various interfacing kits such as stepper motor, temperature measurement, ADC and DSC. Also we have dual DC regulator power supply and CROs. Also we do have function generators. This is Department of Electronics and Telecommunications first lab, Computer Center, that is Computer Networking and Hardworking Lab, headed by Professor Runal Ohol and assisted by Ms. Swati Thete. Lab cost is 70,34,360 rupees. We perform practicals for the courses like Programming and Computer Hardware, C Programming, ICT, VHDL, Microcontroller, Embedded System. We do have 30 well-equipped PCs with 3 printer and 2 UPS, 3 mini laptop and 5 projector which are given to the classrooms. This is Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering's Measurement and Control Lab headed by Professor Ms. Yogita Dighe and assisted by Mr. Sampath Hire. Lab cost is 12,57,204 rupees. The course practical performed here are Electronic Measurement and Instrument, Basic Power Electronics, Control System and PLC, and Industrial Automation. There are major equipments like Flow Measurement Apparatus and PLC Trainer Kit. Major equipments like Combined Flow Measurement Apparatus, very advanced PLC Trainer Kit, LVDT and RTD. This is Electrical Lab headed by Professor Umesh Kute, Professor Shrikant Sahane and assisted by Mr. Nilesh Nagre. Cost of lab is 3,95,142. Practicals conducted for the courses like Basic Electrical and Electronics, Elements of Electrical Engineering and Electrical Circuit and Networking. Major equipment of this laboratory are 3-phase induction motor, 3-phase single phase load bank, 3-phase single phase auto transformer, 3-phase rectifier kit, DC shunt motor and DC shunt motor induction motor set. This is Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering's Electronics Workshop, headed by Professor Jayesh Pathak and Professor Kiran Tambe and assisted by Mr. Sanjay Kut. The lab cost is 4,16,233 rupees. Practical conducted for the courses like basic workshop practice and maintenance of electronic equipment and EDA tools. Major equipments are CRO, power supply, function generator, IC tester, drilling machine, UV exposure, PCB coater and etching machine.